Okay, in this question, we'd like to find the inverse of the matrix. So, in other words, we need to find A inverse. So, to find A inverse, what you need is you join identity matrix side by side. So, this will be an A. This is an identity matrices. It's 3 by 3. And then using the row operation, our goal is to write this side as I3, and what's left on this side will be the inverse. So, well, you can check after you have your answer. The A times A inverse has to be identity matrices, and this way as well. Okay. So now let's see how we proceed here. So it is 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, 0, 0, 1, and then like we normally do, I'd like to multiply negative 3 of R1 plus R2, and that will replace R2. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, and then that will be 0. It's negative 3, so it is 2, negative 3, so 1, so it will be negative 3 and 1 and 0. And well, how about for R3, I'm going to R3 minus R2. So 3 subtract 3, 6 subtract 5, 5 subtract 4, 0 subtract 0, and negative 1 and 1. And then, well, I can go ahead and subtract R1, subtract R3, so might as well make everything there. So 1, 0, 0, and go to, R1. So it is 1, 1, negative 1. And then I want to make this guy 0. So uh, R2 subtract 2 copies of R3 and go to R3. So now, so it's going to be 0 to 1, which is the same. And then the 0, 0. So that was negative 2. That was negative 2. So it's negative 1, negative 2. So this is simply negative 3. And then this should be negative 2 plus 1 and then 3. And then this would be negative 2. So negative 2. Okay. So now we can go ahead and add R2 and R3 goes to R2. So that would be 1, 0, 0, and then 1, 1, negative 1. Then that would be 0, 2, 0. I'm adding. So it is um, it would be negative 6 and 4 and negative 2. Is that right? When I add, and might as well negative R3 to R3. So it's going to be 3, negative 3, and 2, it looks like. And finally, I can divide the second one by 2. And then we have 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, negative 1, 0, 1, 0, negative 3, 2, negative 1, 0, 0, 1, and 3, negative 3, 2. And I say this is A inverse, okay? You can check, I mean, by multiplying, A 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, and then A inverse, we just found 1, 1, negative 1, negative 2, 3, negative 1, 3, negative 3, 2. So when you multiply this row and this column, you will get, 1, negative 3 and positive 3 is 1. And when you multiply, well, I have to multiply again, right? So I'm going to multiply again with this row. So it will be 1, 2, and negative 3 will be 0. And if you continue, I'm sure you will get this. And for the same, 1, 1, negative 1, negative 3, 2, negative 1, 3, negative 3, 2. And when you multiply with 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, you will get the same result. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So that is the identity matrix. Okay.